And hello everybody, welcome back to Pro Killer YT. Welcome back again in Cops and Robbers. Today we might be playing Team Deathmatch. I might show you some stuff in this about this game and Cops and Robbers. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh yeah, this is my character. Alrighty. So right now we're gonna we could join. Play knife mode. It's quite a fun game. Whee! I'll put it right here. There we go. I don't know how you get rid of that, but I'm in the gun. Oh, okay. I tried, but I don't want to hit him. Hello. Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea. Okay, it got real, it got real. Okay. Going back again, but okay. He didn't coming over there. But see, this guy wants it. No. Oh god, why is it always laggy when servers are... Jesus, so mega lag. Alright. Guess the noob wants it. Alright, well. We are at 21 health. This noob really wants it. I don't know why. I don't know what happened there, but okay. He's gonna try to do that, but you know, he's not really good. And he fell. That was perfect. So I don't know what's wrong with that guy. He wants me. See, basically, it's kind of more fun playing this game a lot. I was on level 85 on my account, but I did a stupid thing. I had to reset it because I had a mod menu on it. So yeah, I want to try a new game without a mod menu. So yeah, I had to fell off the map because I didn't want him to hit me. Again. So yeah, all right. Let's see. Now you know. Can I hit him? No, nope. I see him coming up. I'm trying to be so careful right now. Oh, there he is. I hit him once. That armor, I had to hit him 1 or 2 times. Oh yeah, this really is more fun. This guy really wants me. I don't know why. You're not gonna get me, buddy. It's just not. See, like you see the noob on top. He really wants me. I don't know why I keep calling them noobs, because they have noob skins. I just don't like it. There is some bad names in this game, but I will not show it to you. He loves to kill. It's, I don't know. I'm like there I am. Glitch Twisted. I'm like a level 30. He's trying to get me because I think he is a. I don't want him coming over. There we go. He said he wanted me. And yeah. I have 83 seconds, so. See, already. I'm gonna tell him why. Why, my dude? Why, my dude? Why, my dude, huh? Why? Why? He fell again. And he fell again. Interesting. So basically, I'm not gonna try to get killed. Oh, it seems very close. Oh, rip. So I'm gonna go high here. And I have 50 seconds. Bingo. Yeah. I don't know why he's mad at me. We always be friends, but now this is why I hate this game. Well, not hate, I like playing it, but